Welcome to this tutorial on splitting arrays with NumPy's array split function. In this video, you'll learn how to split arrays into unequal sections using one of NumPy's most flexible splitting methods. NumPy array split is a function that divides an array into multiple subarrays. The key advantage of this function is that unlike NumPy split, it can handle cases where the array cannot be evenly divided. This makes it much more flexible for real-world data processing tasks. The basic syntax for array split is np.array_split, which takes 3 parameters. The first parameter is array, which is the array you want to split. The second is indices _or sections, which specifies how to split the array. And the third is axis, which defaults to 0, indicating the axis along which to split. Let's break down the parameters in detail. The array parameter is the array to be split. The indices _or sections parameter can be either an integer specifying the number of sections or a list of indices where you want to split. The axis parameter specifies the axis along which to split, with the default being 0 for splitting along rows. Here's a basic example with equal splits. We import NumPy as np, then create an array with values 1 through 6. When we call array split with the array and the number 3, it splits the array into 3 equal sections. The result is a list containing 3 arrays, the first with 1 and 2, the second with 3 and 4, and the third with 5 and 6. Now let's see how array split handles unequal divisions. We create an array with 7 elements from 1 to 7. When we split it into 3 sections, NumPy cannot divide 7 evenly by 3. Instead of raising an error, array split creates 3 subarrays with slightly different sizes. The first section gets 3 elements, 1, 2, and 3. The second and third sections each get 2 elements, 4 and 5, then 6 and 7. You can also split at specific indices by passing a list instead of an integer. In this example, we have an array with 8 elements. By passing the list containing 2 and 5, we tell NumPy to split at index 2 and index 5. This creates 3 sections: elements before index 2, which gives us 1 and 2, elements from index 2 to 5, giving us 3, 4, and 5, and elements after index 5, which are 6, 7, and 8. The key difference between NumPy split and array split is how they handle unequal divisions. NumPy split requires equal division and will raise an error if the array cannot be split evenly. On the other hand, array split handles unequal divisions gracefully, making it more forgiving and practical for various data splitting scenarios. This flexibility makes array split the preferred choice when you're not certain about the divisibility of your array size.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.